As of 17th of June 2024, record from Nigeria Center for Disease Control showed that cholera outbreak had killed over 30 people in Nigeria as the disease spread to 30 states out of the 36 states in Nigeria. Ondo State, being among the few free states, is now putting concerted efforts in place to prevent the outbreak of the disease in the state. Speaking on Ondo State government's efforts in maintaining cholera-free status, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health, Dr. Niro Ikwemola hinted on government's preparedness by constituting various committees comprised relevant stakeholders to include Ministry of Education, Water and Environmental counterparts, among others, to look into the best way to prevent the disease in the state.
There is a committee that has been put in place by the state government, headed by the Honorable Commissioner for Health, for emergency preparedness. And we have team of surveillance officers all over the state. We have at the State Ministry of Health, we have Primary Care Development Agency, and the local government, all the local governments have them, and they coordinate, there is coordination. So all of them have been put on notice, and they are really working hard to ensure that whenever we have any case, it will be picked up and necessary action will be taken. We have also mobilized our community mobilizers, okay, or health promotion officers all over the state to ensure that they reach out to the community and to opinion leaders.
Dr. Ikwemola posited on the best way to detect and curtail cholera, assuring residents of readiness of health workers in all the government health facilities to protect the lives of citizenry.
It is important for all of us to take action. To take action in preventing the outbreak, the disease, cholera. Everybody should ensure that we take clean water. It doesn't mean that it should be pipe-borne water. Whatever water you want to take that you are not sure of the source or the cleanliness, ensure that you boil before you drink. In case we now have people, how do we can readily control, ensure that we don't have that severe consequence of cholera when it occurs? Is by detecting it early. Whoever comes down with painless, profuse, diarrhea, watery stool, and will associated with vomiting in most cases, please report immediately to the nearest hospital.
Following the revelation that the disease could spread fast in schools if not curtailed, Permanent Secretary, Ondo State Universal Basic Education Board, Dele Akinagbe, announced that boreholes and toilet facilities have been provided across primary schools in the state, while necessary actions are also ongoing.
We are not resting on this. The importance of hand washing has always been emphasized at our various fora. These are part of efforts that at suburb level that we have tried to do so as to ensure that we don't have the outbreak of the disease in Ondo State.
A public school headmistress in the state capital, Mrs. Fumilayo Ikujuni, said pupils have been sensitized on a daily basis to maintain cleanliness against the deadly disease.
After the assembly, I will tell the teachers to command them to take care of their environments, their classes, the back of their classes, or so like that. Then the pupils too, we always tell them to wash their uniform. Whenever they want to eat, they must wash their hands and all other things like that. Their socks, their bags, everything must be neat.
Commissioner for Water Resources in the state, Sunday Akinwale confirmed that the ministry is working with other relevant stakeholders to ensure that clean and potable water is available for the people.
We knew that people are so much concerned about their daily living to hike their daily bread. Yeah, they're so forgetting about other things, indices like drinking good water. So we have improved on an advocacy on television, on radio, jingles are on, then our officers are on the field across the 18 local governments, working in tandem with other Ministry of Environment and even Ministry of Health to educate citizens.
Meanwhile, the Nigerian Center for Disease Control and Prevention had warned the general public of the increasing trend of cholera cases as the rainy season intensifies. Omorinola, Hungbeji, OSRC News.